Welcome to Edumal Today. Ever get home from work, blink, and it's suddenly 10 p.m.? You didn't read that book, didn't work on your side hustle, didn't even relax properly. Every app on your phone is fighting to hijack your night. So I got intentional. I deleted YouTube from my phone, moved my charger out of the bedroom, installed a screen limiter, and started using the Forest app during work blocks. I still enjoy tech, but I use it on my terms now. Here's my favorite shift. Stop choosing between rest and growth. You can do both. I call them double duty habits. Stretching while watching a documentary, journaling while sipping tea, listening to an audiobook while doing dishes. The trick? Make growth feel like a treat. Wasting your evening isn't a character flaw. It's usually just poor design. When I rewire my defaults and added just a little structure, everything changed. I didn't get more hours in my day. I just stopped giving them away. Start with one habit tonight. One. That's all it takes to build momentum. Which habit are you going to try first? Drop in the comments. I read everyone. If this video gave you value, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's tired of wasting their time but doesn't know how to change. Your evenings are a blank canvas. Paint something amazing.
Please subscribe to this channel Edumal Today. Subscribe now. Thank you.